Dear viewer, dear viewers, now we're going to show you how to make Thai chicken. First of all, we need some Kaffir lime leaf. We put it in a blender. We have some lemongrass. We put some lime juice. Some green chilies, tablespoon of fish sauce, some vinegar, sesame oil, some sugar, some salt, some pepper, some garlic and ginger, some fresh coriander, that's our boneless chicken breast. We're gonna cut them in small cubes. We cut all the chickens as a little cubes, and now we're gonna marinate it with our marination, what we done a little bit earlier. Viewers, the smell is amazing. We're gonna keep that as a marinated for at least couple of hours. Viewers, we're gonna put it in the skewer now. It's marinated chicken. That's my beautiful skewers. Now we're going to put it under the grill. We're going to put a little bit of oil on the chicken. Now we put it in the grill. We're going to make some salad for the chicken. We take some tomatoes. We're going to put some lettuce, a little bit of cabbage, and we got some red cabbage. We're going to mix them all together. We'll put a bit of sesame oil, a little bit of fish sauce, some salt, some pepper, a little bit of lemon juice, fresh coriander, little bit of green chili, and little bit of soy sauce. Now we're going to mix them very well. First, my chicken is ready. Look at that, how beautiful color they looks. Now we're gonna serve it. My beautiful, yummy Thai chicken. Viewers, that's my beautiful Thai chicken with salad. Bon appetit and enjoy.